My disease is called osteosarcoma, and it's a bone cancer. It's very serious.
My mom was shocked when she found out, and I was still in shock when I called to tell her the news. I said, "You're not gonna believe this, but it's true. I just got asked to go to space." I was a healthy 10-year-old before this diagnosis, and I was really active. I actually had just gotten my black belt in Taekwondo, and I was having knee pain. They thought it was from the Taekwondo, but the pain started getting worse, and I started limping. The doctor took an x-ray, and she came in the room with my parents and said, "This is bone cancer." And we all just burst into tears. And I just kept saying over and over, "I don't want to die, I don't want to die."
I'm trying to lift my leg like my right leg, but I can't do that yet because my muscle isn't strong enough.
I spent a year undergoing intense chemo and also had surgery that saved my leg and ultimately saved my life. I look back and I think of the good memories. I was pulling pranks on my doctors and nurses. I was throwing dance parties and made everyone in the hospital come watch me and my friend dance. At the end of my treatment, when my doctor told me I was cancer-free and I could go home, I cried because I didn't want to leave. I'm not nervous at all. I think I'll have butterflies on launch day, but as of now, I'm not nervous. Immediately I said yes, you know, just recognizing how once in a lifetime this opportunity was and like what an incredible fundraiser it would be for St. Jude. I actually went to NASA the summer before I was diagnosed with cancer. I mean, every kid looks at that and wants to be an astronaut. Like, who doesn't? We're going to be going 17,500 miles an hour. And so we're going to get such an incredible view of so much of the Earth. So we will be doing some science experiments, some research. So I'm actually going to draw blood from my crew members. What I'm most excited about is we're going to call the St. Jude patients from space. They'll be able to see someone who was in their shoes, who was walking the same halls they walked, and I think it's going to give them hope. Right now we're doing a lot of studying. We've been sent a lot of materials to become really familiar with our spacecraft and the mission and what we're going to be doing there. And intermittently we're having in-person training as well. What's so exciting about it is, you know, we're the first all-civilian mission to space, and just knowing that there's going to be so many that come after us. Being the first person with a prosthetic body part is really going to help open space travel to so many more people. Because until this mission, you really had to be physically perfect to go to space. But this mission is changing things, and I'm personally really excited to be part of that.